Today we're gonna make the best canned green beans. First, we're gonna start by opening the green beans. Step 2 is you're gonna drain your green beans completely. You wanna get all of that off. You're gonna take 3 strips of bacon and cut it up. Dump your bacon into the pan that you're gonna cook your green beans in. You're gonna allow your bacon to cook a little bit on medium to high heat. When your bacon looks like this, now you know it's ready. We're gonna empty our green beans onto our bacon. We're gonna pour in some chicken broth. So we wanna cover like almost half of our green beans. Okay. We're gonna need a little bit more. I know it's hard to tell, but I'm thinking maybe like half a can. You just want it to come up a ways to where you can see your your broth on your green beans. So like now you can see it. You see how you see it without having to move it around? That's how you know, that's how you want it. You want it to be up that high. We're gonna put some salt on it. We're gonna do a little bit since we have the bacon and the chicken broth. I would say that's probably about half a teaspoon. Pepper. And this is the trick. We're gonna put some onion powder in there. Gotta have some onion powder. You can actually opt for real onion, and if you want real diced onion, you can put that in with the bacon at the beginning and you get that same flavor. And there you go. We're good to go. We're gonna stir that up. You're gonna let the chicken broth kind of cook down until it's like almost gone completely, and then they'll be ready. When you don't have much broth left, you see how you don't see that much broth? That's when you know that they are ready. So this is our green beans, and we're gonna try them. They're hot, but they are bomb. I'm telling you. Not about you, but I like when my beans be like falling apart, like exactly like this. So good. You should try it.